Does Kayak show cheapest flights available? Yes, Kayak shows the cheapest flights available across hundreds of sites simultaneously. To get the cheapest deals, you simply have to launch the Kayak application onto your device, then run a search or simply type in your destinations over here, select the dates, and also choose your cabin class, the number of travelers. Once you tap search, you should be able to find all the tickets over here. Now, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on this filter option and you will find the cheapest option. Make sure that you select the cheapest one. You will find all the cheapest flights over here. Now, all you have to do is go ahead and simply open any of these tickets, and within this ticket panel as well, you will find a lot of options where you can choose one of the cheap and the best prices. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.